Welcome back to my static life. It's been a minute, hasn't it? In fact, it's been a couple of weeks, and that's mainly because of issues with the family regarding health. It's kept us away for a couple of weeks from site, but we're hoping everything is sorted now and we can crack on and get looking back at some caravans. But first, a couple of weeks ago I filmed outside my friend's decking because he was getting a decking extension, I think you call it, or would you call it a renovation? So this is his Willerby Grassmere. I believe it's a 2021 model. Beautiful caravan. This is the exact same model that was my first caravan, and he's got it in a beautiful location at the side of the pond where people fish. You've got a lovely view when you sit on the side deck, but he's decided that he wants to connect that deck to that deck, and you can't blame him because you've got to go through the caravan to get to the front deck. Now the decking is going to be 12 foot, so it's coming from that post there after the gate, so they're getting rid of the gate, and it's going to come all the way down to the side of this deck. So it's going to be a 12 foot by 12 foot 9 by 4 foot deck, and the charges for that £2,761 including VAT, which is quite steep. It's the VAT that really adds it on, isn't it? So let me come up and show you the view from the side deck. So we come up, and this is their little dog Cracker, lovely little dog. And look, if we look over there, look, you can see the ducks playing in the pond, somebody fishing, another chap over there fishing. And then they've got a decent sized deck that we've spent many a nights on here having a beer, and we have to come into their caravan, and we've got the owner Claire there sat next to my wife trying to hide, and then you come onto the front deck, and then you've got a few more chairs here. So it's going to be, like I said, connected down there. So we're going to come back when it's done. Basically, previously he had 2 deckings, and now they've turned it into one big wraparound deck. So let's have a look at it. Here we are outside a Willerby Grassmere. Now you can see previously this little bit of a walkway here was missing. Now the original decking was done by Fitrite, but the extension was completed by Shane and Jack from Pro Decks, which is a company that is formed from Fitrite, and let's face it, he must be a good lad if he's called Shane. Now as you can see, so that's the old bit of the decking, and then that bit there is the new bit connecting the back of the decking to the front, which I think it just finishes the decking off nicely. They've also risen the decking as over time it had fallen, so they've risen it up so it's all even again, and underneath each post they put some new post padding down to give it some stability. So let's have a walk up onto the decking and see what it looks like. I don't know what the sound will be like today because it's really windy on site. We have just had that storm Amy, so I think it's the tailwind of that. So we come up onto the decking, and you may recall last time that, so here we go. So you've got this nice walkway between the 2 seating areas. So depending what time of day it is, you can either sit here and look out at the lake, however it's currently in a bit of shade, or we can walk around here, and we've got the front deck. Let's just get out of that wind a bit. So we've got the front deck. So as you can see, I'm going to turn around again, and it just gives you that extra bit of space It means that you don't have to keep coming in and out at Caravan if you want to go to a different side of the decking. And I believe this extension cost £2,760, which, to be fair, I don't think is that bad, considering if you were to get a wraparound deck, not including that bit sticking out, if you were to get that nowadays, you're looking at £7,000 or £8,000. Now, I did ask for comment from the owners, but my friend, he's got a little issue where he goes completely, he freezes like a rabbit in headlights the minute he sees a camera and a microphone. But he did want to say a massive thanks to Shane and Jack from Pro Decks, as they are incredibly happy with this and they feel like it just finishes their Caravan off. So if you're looking at getting an extension, get in touch with Pro Decks. Okay, and that's all for today. So I'm off down the club for a quick coffee before I pack up to go home.